Good morning, welcome to MarineMax. My name is Chris Honig, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2019 Sea Ray 190 SPX. We're going to start at the stern of the boat with an upgraded 150 Mercury motor, and we are going to have our upgraded sea deck padding in the back with a swim platform. This boat has lots of storage. You can fit tons of beach chairs, wakeboard, skis, anything you need in there. And it comes with tons of seating with capacity for 10 of your guests. We also have a Simrad 8-inch screen for your chart plotter, and we ended up doing a 2-captain chair upgrade on this boat as well. When you come in the bow of the boat, we have lots of seating for bow rider boat, and then anchor storage under each of these cushions as well. This boat's really versatile for getting around really quick, and everyone loves the sport model of what Sea Ray does. And if you'd like to see this boat or any others, my name is Chris Honig, and I can be reached at 910-617-3646. Thanks so much.